Hose management on high-pressure tube cleaning jobs has always been a challenge. Loose hoses create safety hazards, expose equipment to undue wear and tear, and require extra manpower to manage. That's where the StoneAge Modular Hose Containment system comes in. This new system keeps lances protected and precisely controlled to reduce downtime and boost productivity, all while enabling hands-free, single-operator cleaning and improving job site safety. Each hose containment drum holds up to 100 feet or 30 meters of hose, perfect for tackling 70-foot or 21-meter heat exchangers. And at under 50 pounds or 22.7 kilograms, each unit is light enough for one person to move and small enough to fit through a standard manway. Engineered to adapt to any job requirements, the MHC can hold lances from 3.2 to 8.4 and is pressure rated up to 22,000 psi or 1,500 bar, with an upgrade option to 40,000 psi or 2,700 bar. Need more lances for your job? Stack the modular drums to build a multi-lance setup. The drums are fully enclosed, so the hose stays put. That means a cleaner, safer work area with fewer trip hazards. It also prevents tangles and snags that cause downtime while reducing wear and extending hose life. The modular hose containment system is designed to be versatile and easy to set up with multiple mounting configurations to suit any job site conditions. For many quick setups, you can set the drum right on the ground near the exchanger. The specially contoured legs make it easy to hang the system on a scaffold or nearby railing. And when space is limited, the optional vertical kit lets you stand the MHC on its side. For enclosed tube bundles, an optional rail kit mounts the MHC directly to the manway for a clean, secure setup. The new hose containment system works seamlessly with standard StoneAge single and triple lance tractors, and it's fully compatible with all Sentinel-enabled tractors. When paired with Sentinel, MHC helps improve runtime accuracy and ensures clean, reliable data collection. The modular hose containment system is a scalable, stackable solution for safer, more efficient flex lance cleaning. It's easy to set up, adaptable for any job site, and built tough for the most demanding work. MHC redefines hose management, giving your team the control, safety, and productivity they've been asking for.